Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be transforming a really ugly romper into a slightly less ugly romper. The story is my mom and I went to a thrift store, and during times of coronavirus, we can't try anything on, so it's all just a guessing game. So my mom gave me this romper. We thought it might look cute. It was $3 anyways. I brought it home and I'm like, this is hideous. So today the goal is not to destroy the romper and also turn it into something that I might actually wear. So without further ado, let's get into it.
Alright, so here's the really quick before of this thing. As you can see, it's really awkward fitting and it's like to my knees and it's just not very cute.
So the first thing I was thinking is to make the pants part like shorter. Okay, it like reaches the top of my knees. So this thing has pockets, which is amazing. I love pockets. So I don't want to like get to the point where I accidentally chop off like the bottom part of the pockets. So I'm gonna like try to measure up where the pockets go. So I'm gonna take some chalk and measure this. This is Taylor's chalk, but you can also just use like I've used tape before. Oh wow, these pockets are deep. Okay, honestly, I'm just gonna take off the top strap things because I feel like they're really in the way of what I'm doing, and I just don't want to accidentally like chop them off or something horrible like that and destroy things like I normally do. Gotta take these nice scissors and start cutting. Okay, let me just show you how trashy of a job I just did. Okay, this is my cutting job. Okay, so to hem this, what you do is you fold it a little bit in, like centimeter. I don't know. I'm not a very exact gal. You fold it and then like once, and then you fold it again so that's tucked under so it doesn't have like a really raw, horrible edge, and then you just kind of sew along there. I prefer clips than pins, but if you have pins, then go ahead and use those. If you're trying to hem something, I don't know. Is this a tutorial? I don't know. Okay, so I managed to crop both the bottoms and it did not die in the process, but now I'm noticing that this top part is like falling off, it's too loose, and I want to add something in the front because I feel like it's just a little awkward. So I'm going to take the scraps that I have and I'm going to create like a little section here and here. I'm going to sew two pieces together, one here and there, and then just sew this to this, so that it's kind of like a front section and it's better, So now that I have two fabric pieces, I'm just going to sew them together. So I'm going to smash the good side together, sew along the edge, and then just flip it back. Alright, I have it in one piece now. Now I should probably hem the sides because you can see here that's like pretty frayed and we don't want none of that frayingness. So I'm going to go ahead real fast and hem both of the sides. Now, all I have to do is sew this part onto this. There are like bits of these like shredded fabric pieces on me, and it is so annoying to find them everywhere for like days after this. I really hope this doesn't go wrong. This whole time I'm just like crossing my fingers. I'm like, please don't go wrong. So we'll see. Half the time it like works, and the other half I'm like, dang. I'm gonna be sewing through like 50 layers of fabric because this part is the hem part, which is like 3 layers already, plus this one is like 4. So I'm just like hoping that I don't accidentally murder my sewing machine through this action. That is kind of irresponsible and I probably shouldn't be trying to do this, but apparently I am anyways. So hopefully the sewing machine doesn't die in the process. Okay? Sounds good. Sometimes, guys, in life, you just don't know what you're doing. And that's just how it works. Alright, I'm going to strap this on to the romper thing and see if it fits. Alright, so at this point in time, I am basically dying from exhaustion. So I'm trying so hard not to fall asleep. After I attach the top part to this thing, I had to sew along here to make sure it didn't come detached. And now I'm realizing that this thing is way too short. Okay, to make it a little longer, I'm going to add on a strip of this excess that I have. I'm just going to cut this in half. Alright, so now that I cut it in half, what I'm going to do is smash the good sides together like usual and just sew along there and hope that I don't destroy this, because right now I'm actually kind of liking how this is looking.
Alright, so I'm done. Here it is. I'm pretty happy with the result. Just really glad that I didn't destroy it. Thank you so much for checking this out, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!